Hello guys, welcome back. In this video I'll show you how to reset your password on a MacBook Air M4. Make sure it's plugged into power. If you have the power button, just click Shut Down. If you don't, press and hold the power button until the display goes off, then wait 10 to 15 seconds to ensure it's fully off. After that, press and hold the power button and continue holding for startup options. When it says Loading Startup Options, wait a moment. Go to Options and click Continue. It will prompt you to enter your administrator account password. Click Forgot All Passwords. Enter your Apple account email and password. If your Mac isn't linked to an Apple account, you won't go through that step. Go to Utilities and open Terminal. Type the command Reset Password without a space and press Enter. This opens the Reset Password option. First, deactivate your Mac and make sure you have an internet connection. Connect to Wi-Fi, then enter your Apple account email and password again. Click Enter, and now you can set a new password for your account. Verify it and add a password hint if you want, then click Next. Gonces, the password reset is complete, so click Exit. Click the Apple logo and select Restart. Now you should be able to log in with the new password. And it's done. That's all for today. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See